Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I will guide you how to add flicker effect in CapCut PC. First you need to go to the text section and click on the default text. Click on the plus icon and here you need to put the desired text. Make it bigger. Keep it bold, and if you want to change the text of color, you can change the color from here. And now go to the animation tab, and in the animation tab you need to click on the in tab, and here you will find the flicker, and from here the duration, you can increase the duration, and this is much better. So in this way you can apply flicker effect in CapCut. So I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.